I'm Joyce Brenny, and I am the owner and founder of Brenny Transportation and Brenny Specialized in St. Joseph, Minnesota. And we are an asset-based third-party logistics provider, meaning that we have semi-trucks as well as do global transportation through our logistics division. We have a huge truck driver shortage in our country. Right now, I don't think that there's a lot of opportunities. Many truck driver training schools have closed down due to funding and so on. So we feel that we are solving a huge problem in our little niche of it, because we have a young driver training apprentice program that we started quite a few years ago, and it's been very successful. And it's been getting attention both within the state of Minnesota and nationally, because the program is slow, it's graduated, it's hands-on, and we really feel that we are setting these young individuals up for success with our training program.
Biggest thing we're doing that is odd to the industry is we're starting out with younger guys with limited experience. For years, and even still, you'll see on the back of trucks they want somebody with 3 years experience to apply. Well, unfortunately, the way the industry has changed, a lot of the guys are older than me out here that have been around a long time. We don't have enough people out here with 3 years experience to fill the jobs that we need.
Most carriers will bring on 23-year-olds because insurance companies will not allow most trucking companies to bring on someone younger than the age of 23. So other companies typically will bring on a 23-year-old and they're with a trainer for 6 weeks, maybe 2 months. And we feel that you're not setting them up for success because they're not going to encounter weather conditions, traffic delays, accidents on the road, many obstacles that drivers deal with.
We promised the insurance company we would do right by these guys, train them to be safe drivers. So that's what our goal is ultimately, is to put a safe driver out there that's going to make us money and going to be able to be a happy, engaged driver and want to stay with the company.
Right now we have one trainer over the road and we have one trainer locally. So we have 2 trainers that really are patient, have been there, done that. They're individuals who want to see these young future truck drivers succeed, and it's fun to watch it happen.
You know, learning from somebody who's been trucking a long time was you know, more than I could ask for, really, because yeah, any kind of scenario that had happened or would happen, you know, he was able to just tell me, you know, what to do right then and there. They take it really slow, and you know, they go at your own pace. So if you're not ready to go out by yourself, they'll stay with you and train you in even farther. Being that they're offering to, you know, jump you into it at an early age really is helping the industry, because most people that I've seen are, you know, up there in age, nearing retirement. So for younger people to be getting into it, I mean, that's going to be the next generation of trucking.
The different generations are able to learn from each other, and the millennials are bringing the newness, the excitement, the push the envelope, and we need that. We need the creativity to expand and you know, keep the trucking industry young and fresh and fun.
We want to put people into the community that are going to stay here, live here, spend their money in the community, be active parts of the community, have their children, raise their children here in our schools. That's kind of what we're looking for.
One truck will generate $250,000, $250,000 a year in revenue. So if we can keep these individuals working and becoming employed in our community, becoming truck drivers within our community, and also hauling freight for our local businesses, that money is brought back into our community, into the greater St. Cloud area. So we're hoping that bringing more individuals to the role of professional truck driver will again improve our economy in central Minnesota. We need to spread the word that we have amazing jobs in this industry and there are amazing people that run it. Without trucks, America stops, and it truly does. So we need to bring more qualified individuals to the industry and keep it successful.